Sprite. Hello guys, welcome to Kids Sprite. We are making rainbow cloud. First we will draw cloud like this. Let's draw the second cloud. Let's make them cute by drawing cute eyes. Don't forget smile. Now let's draw the other one. Oh, he's looking very excited. Now let's draw the rainbows. Follow step by step. Our drawing is looking cute. Please do subscribe. Now it's coloring time. Blue sky is blue. We are going to use light blue. Pink, cloud is pink. Pink is so beautiful. Our cloud is looking cute. Now let's color rainbows. Red, rainbow is red. Orange, rainbow is orange. Yellow, rainbow is yellow. Light green, rainbow is light green. Light blue, rainbow is light blue. Dark blue, rainbow is dark blue. Violet, rainbow is violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, violet. It's so colorful. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.